Emmy, what you cooking?
I'm cooking.
Emmy, I can have a little potato salad or something?
What you cooking?
I'm cooking.
What you cooking?
I'm cooking meat.
What?
Oh, okay.
What are you cooking?
You put pepper in it?
I'm burning.
Don't burn it.
Burn it, burn it.
Ooh,
Oh no! Blow, 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 blow.
Just now.
Maco kitchen here. You having some duck here?
Some of the seasoning, man. I'm going to use it. I'm going to use it.
So now we're gonna do this on the sill. And we have man like fish here on the seasoning. Let me see there fish. How you saying? Fresh thing. So this is a little operation here again.
This is for the duck, man.
As for the duck, taking a little sip.
I'll show them we bar, man. The making sandwich.
That thing soaking here.
Give me a shot there, man.
The barman coming here
You have to give
to
the
organize our shot here
for the cook.
for the chef.
And the sous chef. For the chef and the sous
The
chef.
chef and the sous chef. So we soaking up here nice. Just now we getting ready to chunk it. How we think chip up here already?
Yeah, for anyone, man.
And well we now finish up on the sill.
Cheers, boy. To the bean.
We don't know. So this is the curry now going in there. Now we just do it.
With the aromatics.
The aromatics. So all we have in here, so now.
So we patch in everything, right? So you get garlic, pimento, pepper,
Carapile,
right?
the thyme.
Shadow benny, and
Oh my god.
green seasoning. So we roasting up everything, patching up everything, and then after we go through in the rest of stuff.
Nice. So I had to run out just now. So we now put the water there. We have it, we have everything. Right? So just now we ready for duck. Okay, come Maco me kitchen. Right, microwave brownie in a mug. First of all, you've got to start off with really good cocoa powder, and there's none better in the world than Montserrat Cocoa Farmers Co-op cocoa powder, which I got from my recent visit to Trinidad, and that's the one I'm going to use in this brownie. So I'm working to my recipe. You need, in your mug, you need 1 egg. You need 4 tablespoons of sugar. You need 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of flour. And you need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And cocoa powder doesn't get any better than that. And then you need to mix that all up. Notice the mug. Stag. And then that goes in the microwave for about 1 minute and 20 seconds. In my 800 watt microwave, so you just need to watch it, cook it as long as it takes to make the brownie look dry on top. So I'm just going to go away and microwave that. Alright, 1 minute and 20 seconds later. Let's see if we can't turn this bad boy out. Yes. And just to make it all the more fattening and excessive, I'm going to put some nice single cream on top of that. And I won't be testing that myself, but I have a resident brownie expert in the shape of my brother, who's going to come along and test that for us.
Oh yes, that'll do nicely.
Good?
Oh aye.
Right, we'll leave you to eat that in peace now, Dick. Come Maco me kitchen.